Welcome to our channel. If you want to restart your Fire TV stick, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve performance issues. Step 1. Navigate to the home screen of your Fire TV by pressing the Home button on your Fire TV remote. Step 2. Scroll to the right and select Settings from the menu options displayed at the top of the screen. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll to the right and select My Fire TV or device, depending on your Fire TV model. Step 4. Scroll down and select Restart from the list of available device options. Step 5. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to restart your Fire TV stick. Step 6. Select Restart again to confirm your choice and initiate the restart process. Step 7. Wait for your Fire TV stick to shut down and automatically restart, which typically takes about a minute. Step 8. Once restarted, your Fire TV will return to the home screen and should perform more smoothly. If issues persist, consider updating your Fire TV software or clearing app cache. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.